Hello there! In this video we are going to see how to install Zhongyi Pro. First of all, you will have to go to our website, which is zhongyipro.com, and select your language. You will click the download/buy link, which takes you to the retailer portal. You will then have to log in. To do so, enter your email address and your password, and then click the login button. The two blue links correspond to the French version and the English version of the software. You must download the installation file and then transfer it onto your computer to be able to install the software. Then by going to the location My Licenses, you will see the licenses you have acquired. You should have received an email with a file attachment that you must download to your computer. If you have not received that email, you can click on the corresponding button to receive the email again. By going to Documents or My Documents on your computer, you should have the license file, which is a small file, provided as an attachment with the email, and then a bigger file of more than 230 megabytes, which is the file of installation. If you double-click on the installation file, the installation program starts and Zhongyi Pro gets installed. Click the following buttons, then accept the license. At the end of the operation, you can click Run to run the program right away. During the first launch of the software, you will need to activate it. This activation requires a license number and a license file that you should have got as an attachment with the email you received when you acquired the license. You will have to click on Next, then type in the email address you used to acquire the software license. You will then open the license file that has been downloaded as an attachment from the email. And then you will have to move the cursor to the same value as the requested one above. The activation proceeds automatically, provided that you have a valid internet connection. The software closes by itself, and then at the next launch, the software should be activated. So I hope this video has been useful to you. Goodbye to all.